Those common problems you'll find in grade 10 to 12 exams are regular polygon. In this video, we'll take a look at this question to help us understand how to treat regular polygon. I'll be glad you pause this video, take a look at it, then come back to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, our question says that the interior angle of a regular polygon is given as 140 degrees. Calculate the sum of all the interior angles of the polygon. Now, the first thing you should know about this polygon is how many sides has this polygon. Now, the formula for the interior angle of a polygon is given as n minus 2 into 180 all over n. So that my 140 degrees will be the same thing as n minus 2 into 180 over n. So that 140n now, after cross multiplying, will be the same thing as n minus 2 into 180. So that 140n is the same thing as 180n minus 2 now times 180, that's 360. So that minus 180, I'm collecting like times n, plus 140n is the same thing as minus 360. So that minus 40n will be the same thing as minus 360. N is the same thing as minus 360 all over minus 40. This negative cancels negative. My 40 here is 1 and 40 here is 9. So that n now is equals to 9. Now, if n is equals to 9, obviously my 140, which is the angle, times n will be equals to the total sum of interior angles. That is 140 now times 9, which is equals to 0. That's 140 times 9. That's 0, 6, 1, 2. That's 1260 degrees. So the total sum of interior angles will be 1260 degrees. With this, I hope you understand how to go about calculating for sum of interior angles of a polygon. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.